Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Jest, the popular JavaScript testing framework. I'll show you how to set up tests, write meaningful test cases, and ensure your code works exactly how you expect. Before we start, make sure you have Node.js installed, Node Package Manager, and a basic understanding of JavaScript. In this tutorial, we'll learn Jest by testing a simple addition function. Don't worry if you're new to testing. I'll break everything down step by step. We'll get started with the new project directory and initialize a new project. We'll create a simple sum.js file and create a function that provides the sum of two values. We also make sure to export the function. Install Jest as a dev dependency. As we wait for Jest to install, we can change the test script in the package.lock.json file to test, so we can run the test command on the terminal. Once Jest is installed, we can create a sum.test.js file where we'll write our test. We'll import our sum function so that we can run tests. The test function defines an individual test case. It first takes a string argument describing what the test is about, then follows a callback function that handles an expect function that makes assertions about the function's behavior, and a matcher that checks the specific condition. After that, open your terminal and run the npm test command. This will run your test and show you the test results. Congratulations, you just ran your first unit test with Jest. You can run different tests to cover a variety of scenarios. To do so, just add more tests in your sum.test.js file. Example, you could test if the function can properly add positive and negative numbers, adds numbers with 0. Also, you can write multiple lines of assertions and matcher in the callback function. You can test if your function can add floating point numbers. The to be close to matcher is used for floating point comparisons to handle potential precision issues. You can test if the function can add large numbers. Also, you can make sure that the function handles type coercion. If we run the test again, we notice that 5 out of 6 tests passed. The one that failed is the one that checks if our function can handle type coercion. This is where we see the significance of running tests. The failed test case shows where our sum function can fail to provide correct output. We will have to tweak our function to be able to properly handle type coercion. If we run our test again, we'll see that now our sum function properly handles various scenarios because all tests passed. Some tips for writing tests are test different scenarios, cover edge cases, keep tests clear and focused, and lastly, use descriptive test names. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more similar content. Thanks for watching and happy testing.